In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a poster design in GIMP, a fantastic and powerful free tool for all your graphic design needs. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to brush up on your skills, this tutorial will walk you through the steps to create a dynamic and eye-catching poster. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by opening up GIMP on your computer. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is create a large canvas. For poster designs, we typically want a sizable space to work with, so a good standard size is 24 by 36 inches with a resolution of 300 dpi. This ensures your poster will be crisp and clear when printed, capturing all the fine details you're going to put into it. Go to File and then New and set these dimensions. It's essential to work with high resolution from the start to maintain quality. Now that your canvas is ready, it's time to think about your background. A strong background sets the tone for your entire design. You can choose to fill your canvas with a solid color that complements the theme of your poster, or perhaps a gradient for a more subtle effect. If you have a specific image in mind, you can use that as a backdrop instead. Go to the toolbox and using the Bucket Fill tool or the Gradient tool, apply your selected background color or gradient. If you're using an image, simply import it by going to File, choosing Open as Layers, and selecting your image file. Make sure to adjust its scale and position as needed. With your background in place, it's time to add some bold text and graphics. Posters are meant to catch attention, so your text should be clear and your graphics striking. Use the text tool from the toolbox to click anywhere on your canvas and start typing. Think about the font style and size, something bold and legible from a distance. You can adjust the text color and spacing using the options under the tool options. For graphics, head over to File and Open as Layers again if you're using pre-made images or graphics. Otherwise, feel free to draw your graphics using the various tools available in GIMP, such as the brush tool or shape tools. Finally, once you've inserted and positioned your text and graphics, it's crucial to ensure everything is aligned properly. You want a balanced and professional look. Use the Align tool to help you with this. It's located in the toolbox. Just select the layers you want to align and use the options in the tool options to make sure everything lines up perfectly. Once you're satisfied with the alignment, it's time to export your work. Go to File and Export As to save your poster. Choose either PNG or PDF format to retain the best quality for printing or sharing digitally. And there you have it, a custom poster design made entirely in GIMP. Remember, practice and experimentation are key to mastering your skills. So keep creating and exploring new possibilities. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time for more tutorials.